Good morning, children. Starting with the next part, second part of the video. We are going to understand angles. Okay, what are angles? When two rays have a common endpoint, OA and OB are two rays and they have a common endpoint, that is O. So, when two rays have a common endpoint, they form an angle. Okay, OA and OB, the two rays are called the arms. The meeting point, the point at which the two rays meet, is known as the vertex. Okay, an angle is denoted by this sign. Okay, it is denoted by this sign. In this figure, I have marked the rays as OA and OB. So this figure we are going to understand how to name an angle according to this figure. Okay, if these alphabets change over here, then the name of the angle will also change. So angle over here is angle AOB. This is the sign of the angle given, AOB, or angle BOA. BOA, or the vertex is what? The vertex is O. We can write it as angle O. Okay. Names of angles. These are names of angles are. Names of the angles are angle AOB or BOA or O. What did you notice over here? That O at which the angle is formed, or O, that is the vertex, is always at the center, and the either arms are at two ends. Okay, the vertex always should be at the center. Now, if you have angles that are numbered or are denoted by any letter, like suppose this angle, here it is marked as 1. This angle is marked as 1, then you will write as angle 1. If it is marked as with any alphabet, here I have taken A, it could be B, C, D, P, Q, R, anything. Okay, here also the numbers will change, 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. Any number. Here any alphabet, then we are going to name the angle, give the angle sign and the alphabet that is given. Angles are measured in degrees. Okay, and degree is denoted by a small circle at the top of the number, the measurement. Okay, this total angle, the total angle around a point is 360 degree and is known as complete angle. This is O, this is A, angle AOA, means from here it will start, take a turn and come round. Okay, this is 360 degree. The complete angle around a point is 360 degree, and this is called complete angle. Okay, and each part of this degree is 1 degree. So there are 360 divisions and each division is marked as 1 degree. There are 360 divisions and each division is marked as 1 degree. And the instrument that we use to measure this angle is the protractor. Okay, the instrument that is used to measure an angle is protractor. Clear? Now coming to the types of angles, look at this figure. Okay, I have taken this point as center O. Then EA is passing through O. EA is a straight line passing through O. Okay, and OC is a perpendicular on it. That means it is making an angle of 90 degree on it. Okay, this is D, I have marked points A, B, C, D, E, F. Clear? Now, suppose we start from this line and we do not move. Now, the first one is the zero angle. We are going to study the types of angles on the basis of their degree of measurement. Zero angle. Zero angle, from the name itself you can make out that the measurement of the angle is 0 degree. Suppose this is the point O and this is point A. This is ray OA and it keeps sleeping. It does not wake up and it keeps sleeping. Then it will not move up, isn't it? There will be no angle formed over here. When there is no angle formed over here, means it is zero angle. So zero angle is what? An angle whose measure is 0 degree. Okay, an angle whose measure is 0 degree is zero angle. Now next comes acute angle. These angles, they are greater than 0 degree but are less than 90 degree. Okay, this pink color region that I have made, this total region is acute angle. You will not consider these lines OA, OA, OC, OE, you will not consider. Okay, the region that the pink color region over here is the acute angle region. Okay, so acute angles are angles which are greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So the second angle is acute angle. Acute angle is always less than 90 degree. It is greater than 0 degree. Make it as A, O, sorry, here I have marked as B, O, A. So B, O, A is acute angle greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Okay, then comes the right angle. Till 89.9 degrees, it is what? 89.9 degree is acute angle. When it becomes 90 degree, then it becomes a right angle. So a right angle is what? Right angle measures 90 degree. Two lines that are perpendicular to each other form an angle of 90 degree. Clear? Then when you move forward from 90 degree to 90.1 degree, okay, from 90.1 degree to 179.9 degrees, it is how much? It is obtuse angle. This whole of the blue region is obtuse angle. Okay, so the fourth angle is what? Obtuse. The fourth angle is obtuse angle and it measures greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay, and it is like open palm, open mouth you can say. Okay, now this is C O A and this is D O A. Clear? Now next comes straight angle. Like right angle measures 90 degree, a straight angle measures straight means 180 degree. It is a straight line with a center O, and this is A and this is E. So when we get this kind of an angle which is a straight line, then it is a straight angle. Its measure is 180 degree. Now when we cross 180 degree to 180 degree point 1, it becomes reflex angle till 359.9 degrees. Okay, then number 6 is what? Number 6 is reflex angle. This whole region belongs to reflex angle. It is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Clear? Now when it comes to this line, means the ray OA after rotating returns back to its original position, then this becomes a complete angle. Complete angle, that is measure equal to 360 degree. We can put another point over here and mark it as G. Okay, so AOG, it is coming back to G, is what? Is a complete, it is a complete angle which is equal to 360 degree. Clear? These definitions are given in page number 130 and 131. You are going to write these definitions along with the figures. Along with figures you will write. Clear?